There are many who have said, and here I will again quote Mr. Yechuri, rightly so, that history is being distorted and all Sanghis are being put in ICHR. I have the distinct privilege, sir, of appointing to the Indian Council of Historical Research a lady by the name of Purbi Roy. Purbi Roy is a renowned scholar on Netaji and INA history and India-Russia relations. What would possibly fascinate my left supporter friends is this, that she is the wife of a Rajya Sabha member of a communist party. Hence, if there was an intention to completely saffronize education, why would I personally pick a scholar who is ideologically, politically not aligned to me or my organization? Insofar as the JNU case goes, त्यागी जी very enraged said आज तक पुलिस JNU के कैंपस में नहीं घुसी. गलत है वो भी. So the leader of the house quoted an answer in 1983, but fresher still should be an incident in 2009 where the police did enter the campus, lathi charged students, and I don't know where Tyagi ji was then, but no questions were raised. Now there's a question that Mr. Sharma raises, seated on his chair, that this was with the permission
Honorable Minister,
of the...
how much more time you need? No, it is 30. Eh? I only asking. Only asking.
Decide you want the answer or not, simple. If that is the wish.
That is my question.
Sir,
It's only my question.
No, chair.
Because
chair also should.
Because there is a bill.
Everybody, whoever has given name, they are allowed to make their points. If they don't want answer, they could say.
No, Vengaya ji, all what I asked, because there is a bill to be taken up today.
Yeah,
so I want to know, that's all. I never stopped here.
Only time is applicable to the minister, not to others.
No, I didn't control. I said how much time more you need.
know, sir, I speak
I only asked how much more
read
time you
from different
need.
speeches.
Don't
My
interpret it as a controlling. It is only a question.
I never use the word controlling. Who is controlling the house? Everybody knows.
I don't know who is
No,
controlling.
I am very sorry, sir. I am very sorry. The way the treatment booted to a minister, young minister, a woman minister, according to their language, is it the way?
All that I have objections to also, even that we are listening to her. So what is the treatment you are talking about, sir?
Treatment is obstruction.
Very excellent, lovely treatment we are giving.
Very good.
Okay.
How nice to be patronized by a stalwart gentleman. So let me come to the crux of the matter. Javed Bhai has been a student leader in his heydays, passionately spoke about his experiences and conjoined it with those of a boy called Kanhaiya Kumar. I am compelled, sir, to read a few things today to set the record straight. For there is an accusation that wrongfully Mahmood ki topi Ahmed par hai. So let me read, sir. पता नहीं किसकी टोपी किसके सर है आजाद साहब, मैं बिना टोपी के. अच्छा, ऐसा है कि साहब ये 10 फरवरी 2016 का जेएनयू के रजिस्ट्रार का प्रमाणित स्टैम्प्ड डॉक्यूमेंट है जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. इस स्टैम्प्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में, एंड आई हैव 3 ऑफ दोज वेरीड डॉक्यूमेंट्स हियर, जिसमें आज बहुत कुछ पढ़ा गया. 10 तारीख का जो डॉक्यूमेंट है, क्योंकि जावेद भाई ने एक डॉक्यूमेंट निकाला, इस पे तो ठप्पा है जेएनयू का, प्रशासन का. इसमें कन्हैया का भी नाम है, शहला रशीद का भी नाम है, रामा नागा का भी नाम है. Apart from everything else they have said, thereby reiterating the authority that the Indian state has shown about Afzal Guru. It says that the execution of Afzal Guru was a nervous attempt by the Congress government. This is a signed document with the names of those students that I am compelled to today. Nervous attempt of the Congress government. And it also speaks, amongst other things, about a public meeting that they have the right to hold, called Mahishasur Martyrdom Day. What is Mahishasur Martyrdom Day? Today, अरे आपने चलছেন শুনবেন না সীতারাম জি আপনি আর আমি তো বাংলায় কথা বলি
Teachers call is not anti-Indian, madam.
No, sir. No, no. I am not charging you. How would I presume to know whether it's nature's call or Mayer call? But let me now say.
How can I define you except for nature's call?
What a lovely conversation to have with the ladies, sir. Bravo.